FlatsClass YouTube fans. I'm back here sitting in the shop, working on a couple of items. We just started finishing up a great little underspin video that I've been testing some swim baits out with it, fishing it in some of the deeper areas of the creeks around the Nature Coast here and having a lot of success with it. But it did reveal a problem that I came across because I've been trying to burn up, if you will, a lot of my loose soft baits that are hanging around. Well, because I've had them loose and they've been sitting in places where they've gotten a little misshapen, I started noticing I was having this issue where baits were getting a little bit deformed and the tails were getting crooked. And when you get situations like this, you know, where I've been in scenarios like this in the past, I was like, doggone it, they're worthless. I'm just gonna have to throw them away. But not so fast. Glenn Young, who works for Z-Man, he's their national sales manager. He told me a while back that I could either take the baits with a pair of tongs and put them in a rolling boil of water for maybe a few seconds and then pull them out and let them cool. Or he said, almost everyone who owns a shop has a heat gun. And as a matter of fact, as a professional angler, I'm taking decals off all the time, so I definitely have one. So let's go over to the bench here and I'll show you how to fix this problem with a heat gun. Come on. All right, this is just a typical heat gun. I'm not sure where I bought it, Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, somewhere. But I use it for a number of projects. But today we are going to fix the crooked tail of a Z-Man diesel minnow so we don't waste it. So I'm gonna lay it flat on the deck. And then I've got another one here that is crooked as well. So I'm gonna lay it flat on the deck and I'm going to soften them up with the heat gun and let them get their shape back. And it only takes a minute. Here. I got some of it out there. Let me turn it back this way. I got most of it out there. Turn that one back this way and then turn it on one more time. This gun gets hot quick. And just like that. About straightened out, just about. I'm trying to. I think it is. I think I can just lay it down. And then I know this one here, it's just got a little kink in that tail, so I'm gonna try to do that one more time. Should do it. All right. Wish this thing would stay focused a little bit better. And let's see how crooked that was and how much better it is now. Pretty straight. What did that take? Less than a minute and a half? And I'm back together again. I'll just let it cool. That take just a minute and a half of hitting it with the gun a little bit. And now it's a totally usable bait. Back to being straight. It is amazing with a little bit of work what you can do with a heat gun and letting it cool off. It'll be in great shape. All right, let's go take these and rig them up. Okay, everything is cooled off. We got everything rigged back up so that we could use them again, nice and straight. I wanted to try to wrap this up, and as I was about to talk to you guys about, you know, the BKK Titan Diver and some of these aftermarket underspin brands, I noticed all those worthless swim baits, and lo and behold, there was a tip. If you enjoy the tips like this quick one with the heat gun that will save you money, or if you just love our product reviews, our strategy sessions that we have here, our on the water action, FlatsClass TV, Tidewater Diaries, you name it, give us that thumbs up, comment and share, and whatever you do, subscribe. I'm trying to drive this channel so that we can be your inshore authority. That's right, I've been doing this for a long time, and I'd love to make you a better inshore angler. Okay, until next time, keep those rods bent. See you tomorrow.